If you're using ChatGPT for your business, but it feels messy or repetitive, it's probably because you're treating it like a chat or like a one-off conversation. That's a mistake. Most business owners, they don't really understand that this is not a search engine. This is AI. This is something you can have a conversation with. So they jump into a new chat every time, type a random question, get an answer, and move on. But they could get probably a much better answer, once the AI gets better context on what you're actually trying to accomplish. But here's what I recommend if you actually want consistent, high quality results. Work within the projects that you have on your left side, which is like here. So I have different projects that I work on, different things, and anytime I'm talking about something or need answers within a particular topic or website or whatever, I use that project and keep everything within that context. So let me show you what I mean. So right here is where I actually have my social media posts that I need some kind of inspiration or any ideas or things that I'm thinking about, talking about, and you can add that conversation within this project. And within this project, you can be able to ask ChatGPT about anything. And what's great about it is it will keep all of this information in context when trying to answer your query. So when I'm working on marketing content, client proposals, building out systems for my business, I keep everything organized by project and in either these folders, and I have them named so that when I do ask questions, I can get a much better answer. So I have one project thread specifically for social media content, and one for client onboarding emails, one for landing page copy, Facebook ad copy. Each of those threads holds its own context. So why does that matter? Because ChatGPT doesn't automatically know your tone, your brand, or your previous instructions every time you start a new chat. I know that memory has been extended for some months now, but it makes a huge difference. If you keep jumping between random chats, you're wasting time trying to re-explain everything, trying to get it to actually fit into what you're trying to get from the LLM. But when you're working inside a project thread, you're basically training ChatGPT as you go. And every time you refine a prompt, giving it feedback or adjust tone, that the chat remembers it automatically. So it builds a working history that makes future responses faster and more accurate. So in this example that I showed earlier, I'll probably may put my social media posts, and let me go here really quickly. And as a matter of fact, I asked something about this actual video I'm doing right now, but it can actually give out whatever I need within a video script, or if I need something for email, or I need something for text, or anything that I'm looking for. Yeah, so anytime you're looking to get more organized, get more out of your chat prompts, make sure that you're using projects and try it out yourself. Try to see what it would actually do once you start creating projects, putting information in there, trying to get certain types of information, and over a month's time or however long that you actually work with it, see if it actually makes a huge difference for you. So it's actually helped me a whole lot, helped to keep me a lot more organized. I can refer back to information a lot easier because everything is within a project instead of me looking through old random posts and trying to figure out what was I thinking here, what am I doing there, or whatever. So if you have any questions, hit me up in the chat. And if you like this type of content for AI tech and how to execute, subscribe to the channel and check me out again.